Aishwarya. How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Aishwarya is joining us here from Cocoon. That's the name of our brand. So, Aishwarya, you want to tell our viewers a little bit about what is Cocoon?
So Cocoon is basically a brand about t-shirts mainly right now. And the main idea is about using different kinds of animals and also giving them a touch of about human feelings so that everyone else can find it relatable. So basically I want to connect a brand which is connecting both the worlds of animals and humans. And because I personally love animals a lot, and I think it will be like a great medium if we can enjoy like the love of nature like through t-shirts. So yeah, that's the basic kind of a concept. Yeah.
Okay. So, Aishwarya, tell me, how did you come up with the name? And how did you come up with the idea as well?
The name was actually a huge struggle for me to come up with the name. It was so difficult. I mean, I didn't know how to kind of summarize it in just one word. It was actually one of the major challenge. I mean, if like to come up with the name. So I did a few exercises. Some of my friends who are into branding, they helped me like to figure out the name. So they kind of helped me give some exercises because I knew what I wanted to convey. They kind of helped me to kind of put it into words, like into single words. So it took a month for me to come up with the name. But then I think I got it straight right when I got it. And I think it was just by chance. I think I looked up for a lot of words related to my concept, and then I ended up finding the right like word which would convey the meaning behind it, and that is like it conveys it. So basically, the name is like made up of two words. So cocoon is like the suggesting comfort, like the word cuckoo, and the cuckoo is someone who is also crazy, and like the animal part, the uncivilized part. So basically mixing up the crazy and the comfortness that the t-shirt is trying to give. So
Okay. Very interesting. Very interesting.
thanks.
So, how did you come up with the idea? Why did you convert it into T-shirt?
T-shirts. So basically I used to, so since a very long time, I mean, it was my hobby just to make a lot of artworks. And I used to never be a fan of paintings in general, like the ones that you put up on the wall.
Yeah.
Those were the ones that I would not relate to. So I would usually like my art to be usable. So for instance, I would make art which I can wear. I would make art which I can bring, like take it and go somewhere else with. So I would usually prefer those kind of areas. So I tried exploring painting, like hand painting on fabrics. Then I tried on bags and like different purses. So I tried and I enjoyed that, like wearing my art and like going outside with it and making it like a portable, way to go about it. So I just loved that entire process of wearing it. And that's why I thought I always had a soft corner for clothing and bringing my art to that. So I think it started with my hand painting on fabrics, and then slowly I came to know that okay, maybe I can, digital printing is also a way which I could try, which I could experiment with. So during lockdown, since I had so much of plenty of free time in my hand, so I thought like why not, try the digital medium. And that's why I tried Illustrator, and it was completely new software. I didn't know a thing about Illustrator, but then YouTube really helped me. I looked for a lot of tutorials and took a lot of help from other friends and like how to go about it. But then I was really enjoying the digital medium as well. And then I tried a couple of t-shirts and they had great results. So I mean, I thought like, why not just give it a shot? So
and convert it into a startup. That's fantastic.
Thank you.
So I should tell our viewers, did you need to raise funds for this startup, or you started small? How did you go about it?
Like I'm planning to like start it really small because I have to also, I mean, I'm probably going to study further as well. So that's also something that I have to keep in mind. So right now I'm keeping it small and seeing where it goes and how people are liking it. Yeah. But I do plan it to take it.
And what are the challenges you faced with your startup?
Mainly like digital itself. Like I'm not a digital person at all. Like I mean, I don't like Instagram. I don't I don't prefer to spend a lot of time on laptop, and so I'm not this techie person. But then I know that I can't, like, it's like a laborious thing to do with your hand all the time. And then to reach a mass, I think, like, for me to be alone, I can't reach a lot of people. So I thought, like, yeah, I know digital makes sense. So kind of I tried to do it. And I think that was a big challenge for me to go all digital, because like it was a real big change for me.
I think that is a challenge for a lot of us, because everybody had to embrace technology post.
Exactly, yeah. But then it turned out to be fun. So I mean, in the beginning, I was quite like, oh my god, I have to sit on the laptop all time and then do everything here. But then it eventually became fun, and I started liking it. So I think, yeah. And also the name, like I said, I mean, it took a really like a long time to figure out the name.
Already mentioned that.
Yeah.
Aishwarya, where do you see yourself in another 5 years?
Another 5 years, like, well, I mean, I'm not I don't like long-term planning a lot. Like I'm someone who would, you know, if I really like this, like I didn't plan this at all. Like Cocoon is something that I never thought I would have in my life, but I think I just did not think, I mean, if I felt like I really wanted to do this right now, I think this is the time to do it. So I think for me, if I feel something really strong, then I would just go for it, and I would put my heart into it, and I would try my best to, you know, make it happen, and then see where it goes. So, I mean, in 5 years, I don't know, anything could have happened. Maybe I could try it on other things, like maybe not just t-shirts, but maybe on something else. So
yeah, so if you feel that, you know, this is something actually love eventually after years, you will expand your brand and, you know, make it more usable for the other users. That's
exactly
great. So what inspires you, or what keeps you going to create your creations?
Right now, like, it started with Gru. Definitely, he's my dog, and he just, with his company, I became more fascinated with animals, and I just loved how their behavior. So I started learning more about animal behavior, and like reading books about ethology, and also like looking at a lot of wildlife documentaries and on Netflix. And I think those are like really fun for me. And so I read them, and then I think that, okay, wow, I think it'll be nice if we can put it, like, if we explore more like animals and then acknowledge them. And then I think so I also wanted to share that, if I read something like this, and then I would try to turn into some art form, and then I would love to share that with people. So I think it's like these 3 processes that I would do. Like, first I would find out something new about the animals, and then the second step is I would turn them into some different design, and then I would just put it out there and see. So
your love for animals is something which inspires you and keeps you going.
Definitely, yeah. Love for animals, and also people. Like, if I talk to people and if they think that, I would, you know, I'm feeling really angry, or I'm feeling just too happy, and then I think that, I think it will be nice if they can acknowledge that feeling, and what if they have a t-shirt for it. For example, like, I made this t-shirt about PMS, like, you know, about people who have these, they can be in their zone, and then they can just wear a t-shirt about it, and then just acknowledge that feeling.
Wow.
So I think my inspiration comes from people as well.
That's great. So Aishwarya, thank you so much for being on this platform and taking out time to give us this interview.
I'd love to share
your views. So if you're new to this channel and you are viewing this for the first time, we have wonderful girls like Aishwarya with startup entrepreneurs talking on this platform. So do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, Aishwarya.
Definitely. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for having me.